Today we have our new 2024 Tacoma. This one here is an SR5 trim. Compared to other trims, this one you're going to get regular halogens on the turn signals. That's pretty much it that you could change out. Everything else on the vehicle. We did a little bit more research. So not just the SR trims, but also the TRD trims also have factory halogens. Like the TRD Sports have halogens for the turn signal. So this also applies to those models as well. There's our new vehicle, the shop vehicle that we got. So slowly we're going to start adding every accessory that Lasfit offers to this vehicle. From our ditch lights, light bars, pretty much everything that we have to offer. For sure, we already scanned the interior for floor mats. So eventually you will see the floor mats for this vehicle. This is a crew cab, so you will be seeing them. Alright guys, so here we're showing you how the original bulbs look. As you can tell, this is the original turn signal, which are an amber color 7443. They're good. Well, you can definitely see them, but of course we never settle for that. We always want to go a little bit far and beyond. So we'll show you how our particular system looks on the turn signal. On this vehicle, it is using a dual system, which is a 7443. This is a dim and a bright. So when you focus on this right now, you'll see that the bulb is on at all times. That's the dim function. And when the bright function comes on, that's the flash. So you, of course, it's going to get brighter. In this particular model, we could run a switchback. We have an all amber 7443, so it'll be dim amber, bright amber when you put the turn signals. Or we have a switchback, which when it's on at all times, it'll be white. When you put your turn signal, it's going to flash amber. Right now, let's show you how to do the installation, and we'll show you both functions. We'll show you the all amber 7443 that we offer, and we'll also show you the switchback 7443. All right, so of course, first you pop up in the hood. Always make sure your hood is secured. And then on this truck is very simple for the turn signals. If the camera shows over here, it's a very simple access. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's right here. I'm not sure the camera can get that. If yes, got it. Turn it. That's the bulb right there. So that one's already out. We're going to come back to this right now. I just want to show you the passenger side. It's a little bit different. It's not as open as that side, but it's very simple. You're going to have 4 push clips. Push them down, push them down. This one I already took out. And you just simply lift up. Put this on the side. You're going to come back to it in a little bit. And again, it's as simple as the other side. You have the bulb. It's right here. So hopefully you guys have a better angle. Grip the bulb, turn counterclockwise, pull out. That's as simple as it is. Once you have those, just simply pull the bulb out, set aside, go back to this side, take the bulb out, and you're done. Now let's show you how our LEDs will work. Alright guys, so this is going to be our all amber 7443. This vehicle is using a standard socket, so if you go on our website and you see 7443 standard or CK socket, make sure you go with the standard. So let's show you how this bulb looks on this vehicle. Let's take it out, get one. You plug it in, doesn't come on, unplug it, flip it over 180, reconnect. That's all it is. Now let's insert into the housing. That's all it is. So this is showing you how our 7443 T3 series amber looks compared to the factory OEM bulb. As you guys can tell, ours is more of a sharper amber color, where of course now the original looks, I guess, dual you could say. So now let's change them out so you can have both of them in